Toot toot bangs, toot toot bangs, toot 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 bangs. Welcome to the channel. It's toot toot bangs. I ain't no banger, but I'm a mukbang. Go on, hit subscribe and join the gang. My shit lit, you know my shit bang. Money ain't calling no promise, ain't won't say a thing. When you can try to stop me, you gon' find a way to eat. Bitch, I'm about to eat. The team gon' eat. Bitch, we gotta eat. You with me then? Boom. I'm back with a quick video. I got a challenge on my hands. It's the 6 chicken legs in 6 minute challenge created by Marquise. I hope that's how you say it. Hilson. I'm going to obviously tag him, and I ain't figured out how to like leave people names and links and all that in the description, so still working on it. Just bear with me. But I am shouting you out. Thank you so much for the challenge. You didn't challenge me. Nobody challenged me, but I'm going to do it because I thought it was interesting and fun, and I want to see if I actually can do it because I ain't no speed eater by no means. And yeah, this is going to be a real challenge. So I thought it was cute. I was like, let me go ahead and, you know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can do it. I seen Big Belly Bob do it and, you know, some other people, whatever. So this is what we doing. Y'all think I can do it? I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm scared because I'm not good at eating fast. Like, I'm really horrible at that. But that's it. I got the 6 legs. No cap, they're kind of small. Now, that's what they gave me. I told them to give me the biggest ones they had because I'm doing a channel. I mean, not channel. I'm doing a challenge. And this is what they had to offer. So, we gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's do it, baby. I got a timer right here I'm about to put on. And we're gonna, hold on, cause maybe I should put some hot sauce. Ooh, y'all, I'm scared. Should I put the hot sauce on it? Yeah. I'm gonna drizzle some hot sauce all over them so I can just kind of like be prepared. Cause you can't have hot sauce without, hot sauce without chicken. You can't have chicken without hot sauce, baby. Quit playing with me, dog. Okay. Now, so we got the hot sauce. Now, let's get it. Savage mode. I ain't got no napkin, ain't got no drink, no nothing. Wait, are you supposed to have water with it? Y'all, hold on. Now I gotta go find out because I think you're supposed to have a bottle of water with it. 6 legs and then the water. Hold on. Okay, so yes, I have my 6 drums and I have my water. Matter of fact, let me crack it open so it can be ready. I have 6 minutes to finish 6 legs and a bottle of water. Now, I don't know what size water it's supposed to be, but I guess it's more like this, like the average size water, I'm assuming. It ain't like big, but it ain't small. Okay, so listen, y'all ready? Goddamn cat, get Lord Kitty! Fuck is wrong with her, bro? Every time I get ready to do a video, she acting like a motherfucking psychopath. This bitch don't even be. She don't even be doing stuff like that. What is wrong with her? I'm ready. Y'all ready? 6 chicken legs in 6 minutes with a bottle of water. And let's go. I have a timer over here. I'm about to click it. I'm scared. Okay. I'm scared this cat finna try to try me in the middle of my video. And it's going to be a whole situation. Smoke in the city. That's what they said. The old people say smoke. It's going to be some smoke in the city now. All right, 6 minutes. Let's go. Let's get your back here. my jaws hurt. Seconds. 20 seconds. All right. Woo! Bitch. Woo! Goddamn, I'm gonna throw up. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw up. Oh, that's not good. I don't like that. Ooh, the water. Oh, the water. The water. Ooh. Yeah, that water really did it. Yeah, at this point, I tune in for my next video. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. So y'all tune in for the next video. I'm gonna get the details about the giveaway. Right now, I want to bust this challenge down, see if I can do it. And at this point, my stomach is about to bust, and I can't even go on. That shit on my face. And we're gonna talk about the giveaway on the next video. Y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching me do this challenge. I really appreciate y'all. Shout out to Marcus Hilson and Big Belly Bob and all the other people that I've seen do this challenge. It was lit. Y'all did that with ease, to be honest. That was way harder than it looked. So yeah, shout out to y'all. And yo, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That's great. Yo, help me. Help me. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Don't all that shit.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I can't even think, bro. I'm so stressed out. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And always remember, yesterday was yesterday, today's today, so make that shit count. That's on what? Period. Thank you so much. Love y'all. Peace.
Promise I won't say a thing. When you get tired of stopping, you gon' find a way to eat. Bitch, I'm about to eat. The team gon' eat.